Did you know that Tuesday was National Bottle and Bond Day? So, let's make an old fashioned to celebrate. Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. Doc Martinez here, and I'm gonna make a old fashioned to celebrate Bottle and Bond. But it also happened to be Texas Independence Day, so I'm gonna combine the two and make a drink to celebrate both this week. I'm gonna make this simple, get back to basics, and make this a nice quick video so I can enjoy a drink because I need one this week. Crazy week already, and we're only halfway through it, but looking forward to this weekend. All right, so this one's gonna be made directly in the glass, and of course I'm gonna be using the Still Austin glass. And I just made some nice fresh Demerara simple syrup for this one. And I'm gonna use, I feel like a little bit of sweetness today, so I'm gonna do a little bit more than half, but about half and just a little over. Whoa, that's nice and still warm. I love the darkness and richness and flavor of Demerara simple syrup. Just adds so much goodness to it. So yep, we're doing that today. We're also going to be adding some bitters, and we're going to be using two different types of bitters. I'm going to do at least 1 to 2 dashes of angostura bitters. Now, if you're not much of a bitters person, do 1 dash, but I do enjoy bitters, so depending on how big this dash comes out, let's see. Oh, what? So let's do 2 dashes of that. Next, we're going to add some barrel-aged bitters. Now, if you've never tried barrel-aged bitters, man, you need to. There's just so much goodness in this too. Imparts so much extra flavor. I love it. So I'm gonna add two, 3 dashes, whatever. It's just so much goodness added to it. Now, I want to make sure we're adding a Still Austin bottled and bond bourbon so we can celebrate Texas Independence Day and Bottle and Bond Day all happen in the same week. Big week. So I'm using the Still Austin. I'm using their straight bourbon whiskey, the High Rye. It's this year's amazing pour, and ooh. Always love to hear that. And oh, know what I like to do first before I add whiskey in there? I always like to add the cube, because sometimes you just drop it in there and what happens? Splashes everything everywhere, and I don't want to waste any of this. This is some good stuff. Now normally you pour this out, you measure it and pour it in there. I'm a Texan, it's Texas Independence. I don't want to quite do that, so we're just gonna pour some in there until I feel like it's just enough for tonight's drink that I need tonight. So now, I'm going to use my new favorite stir. Ooh, look at that puppy. Is that not beautiful? So, I sometimes stir with my finger. Now I don't have to. I got my own finger stir to stir with. So, let's stir that up a little bit. Yep. Just keep stirring. Get that nice and chilled in this glass. Look at that beautiful color. How can you not like that already? Oh, yeah. Loving it. Should I lick the finger? Yep. Oh. That's so good. So good. And I haven't even gotten a drink yet. All right. Normally, I love Luxardo cherries. Mine didn't look so good today. So I'm going to another one I've had in there. And these actually are not bad. I enjoy them as well. Let's see if I can open this. I need to call my wife to open these, don't I? I'm just joking. Let's get this open. And let me grab one of these so I can poke it and try to get one of these out of here without trying to contaminate anything. Sometimes a little easier said than done. These do come with the stem, so I'm just gonna drop that one right in there and cover this up and move it over because I do not want this spilling everywhere. It is sticky. Well, there you go. The Bottle and Bond Texas Independence Day Old Fashioned. Let's go for that first drink. I'm excited. Damn. Everything you want in Old Fashioned, one drink right here. Best way to celebrate this week. Oh yeah. Let me know, did you celebrate Bottle and Bond this week? Are you a fellow Texan and did you celebrate Texas Independence Day? Let me know in the comments below. Did you make an old fashioned to celebrate? Did you have a neat pour? I actually had a neat pour that day. So, thank you my friends for joining me on another journey down my old fashioned rabbit hole. And till our next journey, my friends, cheers.